Hey guys, welcome to Cryptalina channel, and in today's video I will show you again what is happening on the Bitcoin chart price right now. If you want to know what trades I will open, then watch this video till the end. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, so let's get started. So right now Bitcoin is hitting exactly the first target, just like I predicted in previous videos, and now I have a long position on BYBIT and it's just in a huge profit, 20%, and as I said, on the 4-hour time frame we came to the 0.5 level, already hit our first target, $17,381, and our next target, $17,559. So here you need to be very careful if you want to know what can happen to Bitcoin in the coming hours. Be sure to watch this video till the end, because I will show you a bunch of metrics, a bunch of new setups, and I will also show you an incredible signal that is looming on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now, and it can change everything in the near future. So let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. Like I said, we came to our first goal, we collected it. If you opened your position like me at about $16,500, $16,300, then right now you can close part of the positions, collect your profit, and wait for 17,600 with less risk. And you can also do it a little bit differently. Move your stop to break even and just wait and see what happens. Move your stop a little in plus, a little in profit. Even if the price goes in the opposite direction from you, you can earn some interest, but in general you will be able to close 50% on $17,300, and $17,500 will also cover the remaining amount of interest. So for those who haven't had time to take this setup loan, which I have been talking about for at least a week, you can try short now. I had local short setups, they generally work now, and short-term short entry $17,300, stop at $17,442, and wait for the movement to the levels of $16,229. So the first 100 can be closed somewhere around $16,474, and the second more global short setup is $17,400, $17,556, and a $17,674 stop. So, and I expect a drop of $14,500 approximately, and these are risky setups. As I said, we have priority on the loan because we are close to the bottom of the market, and therefore the priority is loan. Everyone who watched my videos was able to pick up the movement on the spot 6%. It's a free 6% on your spot deposit. So again, move to our 4-hour time frame. Everything is the same. I showed it several times. We came to the first goal and we already go into the second goal. It will most likely need to be picked up as well. We need to take this liquidity. So let's move on to another setup that I showed. Perhaps you're already tired of looking at the same pictures, but still. So here we had a symmetrical triangle. It was broken and the movement was taken away, and the goal of the triangle hasn't been fulfilled yet. The goal is $18,159 on the 1-hour time frame. Stops could be placed here and there, and as I said, stop should be at break even. So also look at the 1-hour time frame. A bullish flag formation is being drawn, which we had already tried to break up, and the breakout target is the length of this pattern. That's 2% up yet, and approximately by breaking through this flag, 2% is about $17,600. This is the 0.618 Fibonacci level. If you haven't taken a loan, you can try this bullish flag trade right now, but it will be a riskier trade, and you should definitely calculate your risks and think very well. If you want to open the same trade as I did, then you should register on BYBIT. You should use my link, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim your 30,000 bonuses on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit, and after that you can get your bonuses. If BYBIT is not available in your country or you don't want to use it, you have a good alternative. It's BitGet. It's available for all users, and on the BitGet you can get up to $4,163 bonuses. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit, and you can find the link on BitGet in the description or in the first pinned comment. So traders, let's go straight to the daily chart. I have already shown and explained this chart many times. Here we have a fallen wedge that has been looming for a long time, a trend line that we have yet to test if we can break this triangle. A fallen wedge is a bullish formation, and we need to break out this wedge on volume, retest it, and go to test the global line that formed back in autumn, November 10th. Upon the breakdown of this wedge, we will test this trend line. Also, this trend line coincides with the block of traders in which a huge number of people will trade, and this is a very serious support zone which will hinder our further growth. So we also need to break out this zone on the volume and also do a retest fix above this zone and start a global growth, a global upward movement. It will also take a long time to form because these are all setups, these are all different formations that we will observe and trade, but for now we are just testing the upper boundary of this wedge. Accordingly, we can absolutely go down from the upper border of the wedge to the range of $16,400 to $15,900. It's quite possible that we can simply go down from this wedge. Then we make a fake out and somehow go down as much as $14,000, $13,000. It's quite possible, traders. I expect that too, but for now, locally, I expect a little more upward movement. Also, friends, we are looking at an interesting graph. We have RSI open here. The weekly chart of Bitcoin, the zones that are very important to break out are marked here. It's very important to gain a foothold above them in order to continue our global upward movement. Look at the RSI, what is happening to it right now. On the weekly RSI, we break out the trend line that was formed back in November 2021, and right now we are breaking out it. This may indicate that we will make a reversal already from these values, and right now we are starting our reversal. Everything you need to gain a foothold and start a $50,000 global movement, it needs to be swallowed up by this drop, which on the weekly chart looks like one big 29% candlestick, and we have been falling for several months. We need to swallow this candlestick and go to the $21,000 area. The movement should look something like this. We must first consolidate above $18,000, go to $19,000, then absorb the movement, trade in this range of $18,500, $21,500. We must close this candlestick. This is very important to do because if we don't do this, RSI may go to retest this trend line, and after that it will break out it and some kind of triple bottom will be formed on the weekly chart. So after such a growth, I expect a retest of this trend line and RSI going up. Somehow it can turn around. We wait and see what happens. So also traders, showing you another time frame, another interesting chart. This is a 12-hour time frame. Look at the EMA ribbon grid, which usually shows us the direction of the market, then where the market will go. It showed us a long signal. Also right now it's turning around and showing us green readings. So the EMA ribbon usually shows us the direction of the market. Usually it's not wrong. It's even better to put high Kenosha candlesticks, and on them this grid shows directions very accurately. So look on the high Kenosha candlesticks. The EMA ribbon also turned around and showed a loan that it should be opened, and this means that we can see a very good run into the 19-20,000 range and at least test this line. So the line was formed on November 6th, and we can also try to test this peak. It sits at around $21,000. So friends, we expect what will happen with Bitcoin in the near future. As long as I stay in my long position, I don't close it. I will publish all quick updates in my Telegram group. All the setups that I showed now are relevant, but the very first setup in the loan, it still remains the first setup from which we start. And if I see that it's possible to close longs, we will close them. So what do you think about that? Write your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. It's all for now. Bye.